Welcome to a new chapter in this AutoCAD 2026 Essential Training course. We're going to be diving deeper into the AutoCAD interface, and for that reason, we've got a new drawing for you. The drawing is called interface.dwg, and you can download it from the library to follow along with the videos in this particular chapter. When you open up the drawing, you should be in the Model tab down here, bottom left. You can see Model is highlighted just there. There's Model. And you should be able to see a 2D floor plan of a building with dimensions, chairs, desks, walls, windows, doors, etc. Now, we're going to be taking a look at the application menu in AutoCAD, first of all. Now, the quickest way to get to the application menu in AutoCAD is to go to the top left-hand corner and click here on this little arrow next to the red A, like that. And you'll notice there is the application menu. Now, this is a consistent thing across all Autodesk applications, not just AutoCAD. There's always an application menu that you can use. Now, a lot of this is very self-explanatory. If you want to open up a new file, you hover over New. You'll see there that you can do a drawing or a sheet set. It's the same with Open. You can open a drawing from AutoCAD Web and Mobile, and so on. You can save, like so, and you'll see there that there's files I've already saved previously, and I can save as. So I can save out to a different location, I can save as a drawing template, save as a drawing standards file. I can also save out to other formats, and I can also utilize here DWG Convert to convert drawing format versions to different file formats. So this particular drawing has been saved in the 2013 DWG file format. I could save it to a different DWG version. We can import files such as PDFs and DGNs. We can export out to different file formats as well, you'll notice. We can publish, so we can publish even to a 3D print service if we've got a 3D model. For example, we can archive, we can e-transmit, we can email files and share views and share drawings. We can print. We should be able to print drawings. That's the whole idea of communicating our design intent in AutoCAD. And you can see here we can plot, we can batch plot, we can preview the plot, we can send it to 3D printing, like I mentioned earlier, and we can manage our plotters there as well. Now, printing is fundamental in AutoCAD, but you tend to print now to electronic file formats, such as the PDF. But you might still need to plot to paper, hence the Manage Plotters here, where you can open up the Plotter Manager. Drawing utilities. There are various drawing utilities available in AutoCAD. We will cover quite a lot of these throughout this particular course, such as DWG Compare and Units, Auditing, Status, Purge, Recover. All of these tools are available in AutoCAD. And a little challenge there for you is to go away with this particular file and maybe audit the file or check the status of the file. Check these functions in AutoCAD and see how they work with a drawing open. Last but not least, you can close the current drawing, or if you've got more drawings open than one, you can close all the currently open drawings. You can also use the Options button down here to open up the AutoCAD Options dialog box. You can also just go into the drawing area, right click, and on the shortcut menu select Options as well. Now, last but not least, I'm going to go to Open here, and you can see I can open a file or I can save as well. And you'll notice I've got recent documents. So I can open up an existing file. I can pin that file open on the list if I want to. I can also change how that's viewed by way of access date, size, or type. I can also change whether it's a small icon, a large icon, a small image, or a large image. So if I went for a small image there, you can see I can see the files. If I go back to the small icons, that's what we had previously. I can also search the commands in the application menu to find a specific command. And you'll notice over here as well, I can go to Open Documents or Recent Documents. So if I went to Open Documents, you'll notice the only file open at the moment is the interface.dwg file. If I go to Recent Documents, there's a list of recent files that I've had open in AutoCAD. So that pretty much covers the application menu. So all I've got to do there, hit Escape once on the keyboard, and that will close the application menu down after you've opened it in AutoCAD.